I just give y'all another view of everything I did as far as the audio system on the bike. Like I said, these are the saddlebags. You know, all the wiring is loomed up. The leads on the speakers itself are all soldered. It's not coming off at all. I can pull on it, it's not coming off. The silicone, as you see in the saddlebag lids, is already in there, so I ain't wanna, you know, pull all that off and then the paint start pulling off with it and all that. So I just, you know, went ahead with it. So, like I said, everything is fused up by the battery for the amp. All the wire loom. Everything is loomed up like it came with the bike. Even behind the fan. Like I said, it's a lot of work, So that amp, dude gonna be real happy when he gets his bike back. Nothing like he did when he brung it. So.